In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a PDF without downloading it, specifically using Google Chrome. This is a handy skill when you want to quickly glance at a document without the extra step of saving it to your device. So, let's dive right into this convenient trick. To begin with, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Chrome is a great browser for this task because it has built-in capabilities for handling PDFs. With Chrome open, navigate to the corner where you'll see 3 vertical dots, which serve as the menu option for Google Chrome. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Within the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and go ahead and click on it. Settings is where you can control much of how your browser behaves, including how it deals with downloaded files and PDFs. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll down until you see the label for Privacy and Security. This section has a number of options related to what Chrome does with personal data, downloads, and other important things. In the Privacy and Security area, you will see an option labeled Site Settings, and when you click on it, you'll find lots of controls and permissions for websites that you visit. Again, scroll down a little until you find an expanded list of options where you will need to find the section titled Additional Content Settings. Clicking here will give you a drop-down with further specifics. One of the options you'll come across is PDF Documents. When you click on PDF Documents, it will bring you to the settings specifically for how Chrome handles PDFs. Normally, Chrome might set itself to always download PDFs by default. However, what you want to do is toggle this setting off to change its behavior so that PDFs open in the browser without being downloaded. By ensuring that this option is turned off, when you click on a PDF link in the future, Chrome will open the document in a new tab for you to view immediately, right there in the browser. This setup makes viewing PDFs a seamless experience with minimal hassle. Now, you'll be able to easily access any PDF in an instant without cluttering up your Downloads folder. So, there you have it, a quick and easy method to view PDFs directly in Google Chrome without needing to download them. Remember, this setting will remain this way unless you decide to go back and change it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other tutorials for more handy tips on making the most out of your browsing experience.